hope all of you are having a great weekend. Today, cooking is for the birds, the actual birds. I just don't feel like cooking today. I think we all have days like that. But what I am gonna do is make some facial scrub. Trust me when I say this stuff is amazing. I use this facial scrub about once or twice a week, and it absolutely makes my face so smooth and shiny. I love it, love, love, love it. It has so many benefits that I actually had to write them down to tell you because I want you to know. Just grab the baking soda, some coconut oil, and I like to use real lemon. You'll need some containers, and I like to repurpose, so I'm using some containers that I already had. I just cleaned them out. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant. It has antibacterial properties in it. It unclogs your pores. It makes your skin glow, eliminates excess oil. It does. It can remove blackheads. It dries out your pimples. And it soothes eczema and psoriasis. The coconut oil, we all know, has antibacterial, antifungal properties, but it also is an antioxidant. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It treats inflammation, and it's great for eczema. Research has found all of this to be true, and even with the baking soda as well. I would always test it on a small area first before you apply anything. Lemon has antioxidants, vitamin C, and it also lightens your skin, and I really like that, especially for those of us who laid out in the sun too much back in the 80s. This already has the preservatives in it, so I don't worry about it going bad. I make this all the time. I've been using it for years now, and it is wonderful. It's probably the best thing I've found for my skin. First of all, the ratio is half and half. For combination skin, if your skin is oily, you want to use the baking soda and probably eliminate the coconut oil. So you could mix this with water. If you just take this, put some in a little container, and then at nighttime, you can just use that with some water on your face if your skin's oily. If your skin is dry, you're gonna wanna use a little more coconut oil. You could probably do a ratio of 1 to 2. Baking soda. Now some people melt the coconut oil and put it in there, but I just put it all in there and mix it together. You do want to mix it well. Now I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of the lemon juice to this. And it's going to look like that. Now we're just going to put this in our containers, just like that. This will make your skin glow. Your skin has a certain pH level that it needs to be at, and the baking soda will alter the pH level, but some of us need that and some of us don't. So I suggest starting out really slow with it. Maybe do it once every 2 weeks and then increase it to once a week. And if you see it's great, then maybe increase it one more time throughout the week, so twice a week. And if you see it's not helping you, then just discard it. But do give it a try because this has been amazing for me. I hope that helps some of you ladies out there. I'm gonna go see what else I can get into today. I'm not cooking.